Hello, Matrix. Let's talk about how AI robots could change the face of warfare and what that might mean for humanity. AI robotics has been making significant strides in recent years, and Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, mentioned that the US Army is looking into replacing soldiers with AI robots. So, where is the robotics technology at the moment, and when can we expect robots to move as agilely and skillfully as humans? Let's explore this together, Matrix. Right now, robotics technology is impressive, but it still has a long way to go before it can match human dexterity and agility. Robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas and Spot have demonstrated the ability to walk, run, and even do backflips. However, they still lack the fine motor control and adaptability that humans possess. Experts estimate it might take another decade or two for AI robots to achieve human-like movement capabilities fully. Now imagine a future where armies deploy AI robots instead of human soldiers. Warfare could look drastically different. Battles might be faster, more strategic, and less dependent on human limitations, like fatigue or emotional decision-making. This might lead to more efficient military operations and potentially fewer casualties among human soldiers. But what are the risks of using AI robots in warfare? One concern is that AI robots could turn against us, posing a threat to humanity's survival. Although this might seem like science fiction, it's crucial to consider possible consequences when developing such advanced technology. AI could make autonomous decisions in the heat of battle, and without proper ethical guidelines, this could lead to catastrophic outcomes. To ensure the safe use of AI robots in the military, researchers and policymakers must establish best practices. This includes creating robust ethical guidelines, focusing on transparency and accountability, and continuously updating AI systems to address emerging risks. Engaging in international dialogue on AI warfare can also help prevent misuse and create a safer future for all. On the pros side, using AI robots in the military could save human lives by keeping soldiers out of harm's way. They could also perform tasks too dangerous for humans, like disarming bombs or scouting hostile territories. Additionally, AI robots could improve the overall efficiency of military operations. However, there are cons to consider as well. The rapid development of AI robots in the military could lead to an arms race, with nations competing to create increasingly advanced and powerful machines. This could escalate global tensions and make conflicts more devastating. Also, the use of AI robots raises ethical concerns about the value of human life and the responsibility for AI-driven decisions during warfare. In conclusion, the future of AI robots in the military is full of potential, but it also brings challenges that must be carefully managed. By staying informed and engaging in conversations about the impact of AI on warfare and humanity, we can work together to ensure a safer future for all. So stick around, Matrix, and together, we'll explore the fascinating world of AI and robotics and how they are shaping the future of warfare and our society. Let's dive deeper into the potential consequences, benefits, and challenges of this cutting-edge technology.